Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers, and today we are going a league apart as you must have seen in the title. So I'll tell you two things. Number one is I'm going to share an incredible story of a champion, and number two, the champion habits. Take my word, if you invest these 5 minutes, you will get to know what it takes to be a champion and you will become a champion in every sphere of your life. So let's get started. This is a story of a champion, a sports person, and the most intelligent cricketer of Team India, an expert analyzer, somebody who has a crazy habit of writing the stats after every match in a diary. Can you guess who is he? He comes from a Chennai soil and now an established world-class off-spinner. Now I guess you must have identified him, and he is none other than Ravichandran Ashwin. Along with the Ashwin story, we are going to learn the champion habits. So here the champion habit number one, and that is self-belief. Ashwin comes from a sports family background. His father, Mr. N. Ravichandran, used to be a sports person in his days, and mother also has a sound knowledge of the game. Now the interesting fact, even today, after every match, Ashwin's mother discusses about technical aspect of his game. So what's the learning for us? It's not the family which will help you to become a champion. It will be you who need to have a very strong belief in your abilities to back your decision and stay by it. Family will support you from the back end. Whether they are supporting or not, that hardly matters, but it is about your abilities and your decisions. Now, Ashwin was playing from the very early age. From the age of 9 years, it is one of the interesting incidents in the school days that surprisingly he was not allowed to showcase his talent with the ball, but only with the bat. Now, how frustrating is that when somebody who knows that I am super good, I am best at something and I'm not allowed to do that. Now, that can easily frustrate anybody and people very easily give on that. We must not give up on certain situations. That's champion habit number two. And that is the reason, that is how he stepped up. He never gave up. That's the learning. A big credit of Ashwin as a world-class bowler, what we see today, goes to his school coach, Mr. C.K. Vijay Kumar. And this became a turning point for Ashwin. It was his coach who spotted the super talent in Ashwin and suggested him to get into off-spin bowling. So what is the champion habit number 3 for us? Openness to change. He was very open to all the suggestions. He was not rigid. He was open to change. And that is a big one, because a lot of people are not open to change. They are very rigid. They are very resistive. In one of his interview, as he said, he was not super talented from his childhood, but his ability to experiment in different ways, have courage to experiment. If you are stuck at one point very badly from a very long time, what the biggest mistake we make is we keep on doing the things the same way. They are not giving you results. And then it will hamper your confidence, and at one point you will completely decide to switch it off, which is a disaster. So what we must do is we should have the courage to experiment and then to be more creative and innovative about the things and take one thing at one time. That will help us more often than not to reach to our destination, to hold on to our journey one step ahead and closer to the goal. So these are the 5 champion habits that will help you to become a champion of your life. Number 1, self-belief. Number 2, never give up. Number 3, openness to change. Number 4, courage to experiment. And number 5, be innovative. So take your journey to become a champion of your life. My future champions, stay wow.